Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB and unplug it from any power source. Next, locate and remove the screws on the back cover using the Phillips head screwdriver. There are typically 10 screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious and apply even pressure to avoid damaging the clips. After removing the back cover, you'll see the internal components of the laptop, including the RAM slots. Before proceeding, it's good practice to clean the internal area. Use a can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. Now, identify the RAM slots. You'll notice that one of the slots may already be occupied by the existing RAM module. If you're looking to upgrade, gently push the clips on either side of the existing RAM module to release it. Once it pops up at an angle, carefully pull it out of the slot. Now, take your new RAM module. Make sure it is compatible with the Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. Insert it into the empty slot at a slight angle, ensuring the notch aligns with the slot. Press it down firmly until the clips click into place. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure that your laptop is handled with care. After installing the new RAM, double-check to ensure it is seated properly. Next, replace the back cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it snaps into place. Reinsert the screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, which could strip the threads. Now, plug your laptop back in and power it on. To verify that the new RAM is recognized, right-click on the Start menu, select System, and check the RAM information under the Device Specifications section. You should see the total memory reflecting the upgrade. If you encounter any issues or if the RAM isn't recognized, consider reaching out to us. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get assistance without the hassle of calls or travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair is made, ensuring transparency and peace of mind throughout the process. Congratulations on upgrading your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. This enhancement will help boost your device's performance, allowing you to multitask more effectively and run demanding applications with ease. Remember, regular maintenance and upgrades can significantly extend the life of your laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.